Hi, I'm RAUL ROA Estilista. Today I want to share with you how to properly hold hair cutting scissors. These techniques will give you an elegance and glamour. In each of the strokes, you make in the design of the cut. Scissors are always held with this finger, and here, I will rest so that he can handle them very well. The thumb that goes into the thimble, but it does not go in completely. Only on the tip goes in. To go up and down and create a good haircut, because we do not pull all the finger, because you lose your ergonomic wrist. You couldn't give this move, because if you put all the thumb, the movement will be much more difficult. Then just stick in the tip of the thumb. Look at all the economy that you have. Also, we are making texture, how you are going to see in these videos. It's so much easier because the hair must be completely parallel to the direction of the scissors so that there will not be spaces that we do not want, but it will enter to cut, creating texture. This allows the filtering technique, works great when I'm working on long hair. The size of the scissors can also be very depending on tastes. I like 6.5 better because of the size of my hand, and a 7.5 is for a very big hand. But it's the ideal scissor for a large hand. If you have a smaller hand, 6 inch, 5.5 inch works fine. But I love the 6.5 because in the cutting area it is much larger and the process is much more beautiful. Let's go with this way of taking the scissors. The other is how to keep it. Because if you are working on a client and he arrives or she, you say, yes, continue. It looks aggressive, but if you have a sharp object, here is the ideal to keep it. You drop it on your little finger and you put it away. To remove it, just simply put your finger here. You upload it and you already have your scissors to work. Or you just spin it. This movement you can practice with a paper cutter to train so you don't do it with your good scissors. And suddenly they can shoot out and obviously it can fall. Also, train to return the scissors to its place. We give it back again. The other way to hold is to slide. There are people who slide in this way that tires your shoulder, fatigue the elbow, and you may even get an injury. The ideal is to work in this way. Let's repeat again. You have it here. You stick your thumb out here. You put it here. And you turn the scissors being totally vertical. Where are you going to work this way of sliding? Where you have all the control to slide. And that makes it so much easier. It is being held with only these 3 fingers. Your thumb works for you to open it to close the scissors. You can cut the hair this way. If your scissors have already lost their edge, you can cut slowly. But if you have a high-end scissor, we just slide it. It is like cutting with a hot knife on butter. That's how easy it is to cut with high-end scissors. So the recommendation is to have good scissors to make a good cut and use the scissor pose in your hand. That also gives you a good professional image. So let's remember the movements. Thank you very much for subscribing and sharing my videos.